Since the concentration of HCl is very low, 10 to the power minus 6 m, the H to the power plus contribution from the autoionization of water cannot be neglected. Let X be the H to the power plus from water. Then, H to the power plus total equals X plus 10 to the power minus 8. Solving the equilibrium X plus 10 to the power minus 8 equals 10 to the power minus 14 yields X approx 0.95 times 10 to the power minus 7. Total H to the power plus equals 1.05 times 10 to the power minus 7 m, yielding pH equals log 1.05 times 10 to the power minus 7, approx 6.98. The answer is B.